Hello everyone. I would like to show you about very important topic which is GST invoice. There is so many people who don't know about how to pass GST invoice. So this is the short video only for those ones who don't know about how to pass GST invoice. So this is a short exercise which is prepared by me, and this is the case of intrastate purchase. So my company name is GST Training, sorry, Sequest Training Private Limited, and our company purchased 20 NOS of computer from Sunshine Enterprises at rupees 20,000 each locally. So whenever we talk about locally, that means this is the case of interest rates. Interest rate means state dealing, or we can say within a state dealing. So whenever we purchase any goods within a state, they comes under a locally, and side by side we can say intra-state dealing. So let's open Tally software. So I am going to create a new company by the name of Sequest Training Private Limited. Our company located in Delhi. Rest of details is not mandatory to fill right now. That's why I skipped it, and after all this we need to accept. After acceptance we can say company info configuration will be activated, and press enter, and we have to activate enable goods and service tax. And after activate our registered dealer, that means our company is a registered regular dealer. GST number. So we have to type Sequest Training Private Limited GSTIN number. So our company located in Delhi, and Delhi state code is 07. GSTIN number always based on PAN card, company PAN card. So this is our company GST number. Enter and accept all. After acceptance, you can see gateway of Tally will be appear. So right now I want to pass purchase entry. So go to the voucher, press F9 button for the purchase invoice, supply invoice number, and the format always purchase invoice oblique party name. So my party name is Sunshine Enterprises. SE oblique first invoice 001. Invoice date is 1 April 2023. Purchase name, party name we need to create. Press Alt C, or either you can select create option. Sunshine Enterprises. Sunshine Enterprises is sundry creditor for me because Sequest Training Private Limited, our company purchased goods from Sunshine Enterprises. So we are the receiver and Sunshine Enterprises is the giver. and we are purchasing goods on 30 days credit. Here we have to type Sunshine Enterprises GST number. So this is the GST number of Sunshine Enterprises. Accept it. Purchase ledger you have to create, or you can click Alt C. Purchase comes under a purchase account. GST is applicable and there is no need to activate GST rate, but type of supply you have to select goods, because right now I am dealing with the goods. Name of item, we don't have any item in our company, so we need to create it. Press Alt C button. Computer, under create electronic, should quantity item should be added? Yes. GST rate is specified here. Taxable, which is charged GST, you can see charge 18%. So 18% will be divided when we are taking a case of CGST and SGST. Unit we don't have, we need to create it. Press Alt C and type NOS. NOS means number. GST applicability is applicable. GST rate specified detail here should be taxability type is taxable. 18% GST will be charged on goods. So types of supply is goods, because we are purchasing goods from Sunshine Enterprises. 20 computers we are going to purchase. Type 20. Rate, individual computer rate is 25,000 each. Enter. Again we need to press enter and press Alt C for CGST. So we need to charge CGST. CGST comes under a duty and tax. So type of duty and tax will be a GST, and we are wants to apply GST. So I am selecting a CGST. Tax type is CGST. We don't want to activate percentage here. You can see CGST will be applicable. So tax will be charged. Enter again, Alt C, SGST. Duty and taxes comes under duty and taxes. Types of duty will be GST. Tax type is SGST. Percentage calculation is 0%. Provide GST e-way bill details here should be yes. You can see there is so many informations will be reflected here. First of all, e-way bill detail. When we create a e-way bill from the GST portal, then e-way bill will be automatically reflected here. Subtype is supply. We are supplying a goods. Basically we are receiving a goods from Sunshine company. Sunshine Enterprises is consignor for us because we are the receiver and Sunshine is the giver. Sunshine GST number, their state, consignee. Consignee is the buyer and consignor is the seller. So mailing name is Sequis, our company GST number, state. You need to press enter. After enter, transportation name. So here we need to type new name, and name is Manoj. So my transportation agency person is Manoj. Transportation ID, it is optional. Mode of transport is road. Vehicle number, EW1. Vehicle type is regular. Enter. Method of adjustment, this is my fresh bill, that's why I am selecting a new reference. Name of supplier, or we can say supplier invoice number is purchase from Sign Enterprises and first invoice. On credit 30 days, amount 5,90,000 included GST, and accepted. So this is the purchase invoice. If you want to check, go to the day book, press enter. Press Alt A for text analysis report. In details, you want to check a percentage rate of GST, taxable rate we can say, press Alt F5. So you can see our taxable value will be a 5 lakh rupees. That means our purchasing value is a 5 lakh rupees and our duty taxable value is a 90,000. So this is my goods amount, total in goods amount, and this is my taxable value. 18% we are charging and divided into a central state tax and central GST and state GST. So you can easily check your report by the help of day book and text analysis. So this is the invoice of purchase in GST, or you can say purchase invoice of GST. So this is all about GST, how to deduct intra-state tax in purchase invoice. Thank you so much.